Yan guys, welcome to another episode of Quizme. Yan, ang ating guest ngayon ay si Joshua Arvin Lat.
Oh, thank you, Rafi, for the opportunity to be part of your program. So, musta naman kayo ngayon?
Ayun, okay naman ako, maganda. Maganda yung panahon ngayon, yung weather. Okay, so Josh, anong trabaho mo?
Ako ngayon yung Chief Technology Officer of an Australian company. And yun, as one of the guys na nag-make sure na everything's stable, in addition doon sa technical requirements, I also have to make sure na on a management perspective, everything's stable. So, very busy, pero at least we're able to allow na meron tayong time for this exciting moments. Pero yeah.
Aran, boss na boss yung sagot, pare. CTO na CTO talaga. Josh, anong certifications mo?
Ayan. So, if we're talking about AWS certifications, Solutions Architect Professional.
Yun, SA Pro, guys.
DevOps Pro.
DevOps Pro pa!
Machine Learning Specialty.
Machine Learning Specialty.
Big Data Specialty.
Ayan, apat na!
Advanced Networking Specialty.
Lako.
Saka Security Specialty.
Security Specialty, guys. Ang dami-dami.
Matagal ko naman kinuha yung mga yun, pero I use yung certification program as an opportunity to make sure na I'm up to date with the latest changes sa technology. Plus, gusto ko din may prep work din kasi para pag in-apply ko sa office, at least nagawa ko na yung research ko ng mas maayos.
I guess yun yung rason or reason, no? Bakit ka nasa AWS? Kasi inaaral mo at tinututo talaga yung certification pa, no?
Okay talaga si AWS kasi initially, nasanay tayo sa paggawa ng mga yung pag-create ng mga systems natin, software na usually from scratch. And what I've realized is a lot of things na ginagawa natin, pwede naman palang magamit yung isang service na gawa na for you, and then gagamitin mo na lang yung API to build something para makapag-focus ka sa business requirements.
Okay, good. So, itong ating show ngayon ay sasagot ka ng 5 totally random questions. Bibigyan ka ng options at tingnan natin if makuha mo na.
Nako, challenging, pero sige, gawin natin.
Ready ka na?
Oo, may disclaimer lang.
Disclaimer lang?
Hindi ko ma-ensure na makakuha ko lahat, pero I'll do my best.
Oo.
Tulong na lang tayo kung mali yung sagot. Sige.
Sige, okay. Dito na tayo sa first question. You are hosting a MySQL database on the root volume of an EC2 instance. The database is using a large number of IOPS and you need to increase the number of IOPS available to it. What should you do? 1. Migrate the database to an S3 bucket. 2. Migrate the database to Glacier. 3. Add 4 additional EBS SSD volumes and create a RAID 10 using these volumes. 4. Use CloudFront to cache the database.
Actually, mahirap tong question. Kaya ako nagkamali. Pero I'll try my best. So basically, to give some context.
Pakambol ka naman.
So meron kayong MySQL database na sa loob ng EC2 instance. Tapos ang goal is i-improve yung IOPS, basically input-output per second. So what do I do? So basically, given ang control mo is nandun sa EC2 instance, potentially 3 yung sagot. Kasi ang weird kung i-migrate mo yung database at S3 bucket kasi ang S3 is for storage. Weird na magkakaroon ka doon ng compute capability at mag-manage ng database sa loob ng S3. So definitely 1. Medyo sure ko na hindi yun sagot. Yung Glacier, parang S3 siya pero for long-term storage. Ano mo yung parang parang ina-archive mo na. Tapos yung number 4 naman, CloudFront, for caching man siya. So definitely...
cache nga the database nga eh. Hindi na yung sinasabi dito.
Iba yung purpose niya, pang assets kasi usually ginagamit yung sa CloudFront. Among other things. Of course, it has other features. So, feel ko 3. So, cross fingers, sana tama tayo, Rafi.
Okay, tingnan natin if number 3 nga ba yung tamang sagot. Ayan, number 3 nga.
Good job.
Grade 10.
Sigat na na.
Alam mo, may guest tayo dati, nagkamali dito sa RAID. Oo. Buti nakuha mo to, alam mo to. Pero in real life, i-host mo ba yung MySQL mo sa EC2? Or mas gusto mo i-host lang sa RDS?
Okay, so actually good question yan, Rafi. A lot of people are asking the same question. So, kapag ang akin, point of view ko lang, although other people may say something else or recommend something else.
Sa comment na lang sila kung may something else sila.
Pero from experience, kapag na-part ka ng isang startup and you wanted to test yung idea mo, ang ginagawa dyan usually is to use something like RDS para hindi mo na kailangan i-manage manually yung MySQL database. Kasi instead of you trying to focus on a single part ng architecture, I would suggest na buuin mo muna yung buong project mo. Tapos kung meron ka ng capability na mag-micro nung mga details ng MySQL database sa EC2 instance, saka mo lang siya palitan. Kasi yung time dyan yung pinaglalabanan, sino yung company na mas makapag-launch ng project faster. It's not about who's more capable on dealing with databases. So kapag long-term na yung game, then that's the time you focus on things that you can optimize. Pero right now, if you can use RDS, it would be one of the best choices.
Alright. Okay, next question tayo, guys. Okay, pabasa naman.
Which of the following features only relate to spread replacement groups?
Sa EC2 to.
Okay, spread replacement groups. Hindi ko talaga malala kung may
Placement groups, hindi replacement. Placement
spread
groups.
Placement groups.
Oo. Ito yung opposite ng cluster placement groups.
So ngayon, pinaghihiwalay talaga sila.
So, anong number 1?
So, option 1, instances must be deployed in a single availability zone. 2, the name of the placement group must be unique within the AWS account. 3, the placement group can only have 7 running instances per availability zone. And 4, there is no charge for creating a placement group. So, basahin ko muna. Ngayon ko lang narinig itong spread placement group na to eh.
Sa mga hindi gumagamit ito, guys, usually nasa auto-scaling configuration to. Kung saan, ginagamit ang placement group para ma-determine kung saan ilalagay yung EC2. Oo.
Ang question ba na to is, kino-compare niya siya sa normal na placement group, no?
Sa ibang placement group. Oo.
Which only relate to spread. Okay.
So, yung iba, I guess, pwede siya sa lahat. Or true siya sa iba. Pero ito, pang spread placement group lang.
Medyo mahirap to ah. Pwede ka bang gamitin yung call a friend na option, Rafi?
Call a friend?
Oo. Kasi meron akong hula, pero...
Ano hula mo muna?
Hula ko muna. Sige.
Okay lang to.
Yung placement group kasi, basically sa isang compute, yung spread placement group, ngayon ko nga lang narinig yan eh. Yung spread placement group, ngayon ko lang narinig. Yung placement group is basically, para siyang may computer ka, tapos yung mga instances mo, mapipredict mo na magkakasama siya para mas ma-reduce mo yung mga usap-usap na yung balikan ng mga signals. So basically yung communication.
Yan yung cluster.
Yung cluster na placement group.
So itong spread, siguro ito yung baliktad niya.
So may chance na na kailangan, wait lang Yung number 3, ngayon ako nakarinig ng placement group can only have 7 running instances per availability zone. Yung number 4, hindi rin ako sure dyan.
Pero hula mo lang, hula. Hula lang.
Hula ko dyan is 1. Pero magre-request pa rin ako ng call a friend.
Call a friend? May matatawagan ba tayong friend?
Yan, may mga
meron ba?
Members tayo itong pwedeng tanongin. Oo.
May sasagot ba? Mukhang wala tayong friends na nagre-reply ngayon. Wala. Walang
Cellphone.
Cellphone?
Ito may audience na magaling.
So again, option, instance must be deployed in a single availability zone. 2, name of your placement group must be unique. 3, 7 running instances per AZ. 4, there is no charge for creating a placement group.
So ang sabi ng audience would be option 3.
Nako, sure ka or baka naman, hindi natin alam.
Sige, let's go with 3 kasi it might be kasi initially wala namang ganyang rule doon sa normal na placement group. So potentially 3 yung sagot.
Sige, 3. Tingnan natin if tama.
Good job.
Tama nga, buti na lang.
Good job guys, salamat. Teamwork.
Okay, number 4. Ikaapat natin to. Tama ba? Ikaapat na?
Pangatlo pa lang.
Pangatlo pa lang. Okay. Which of the following CloudWatch metric would be most useful in a diagnosing a suspected I/O issue on your EBS volume?
Ang hirap.
CloudWatch metric, ito yung core service na nagbabantay ng mga services, ng mga alarms and metrics, no? 1. Volume idle time. 2. Volume queue length. 3. Surge queue length. 4. I/O wait time.
Hindi ko memorize yung CloudWatch metrics pero...
Oo. Ito na. Ito ang ating guest ngayon ay binabasa ang ating options. Puro metrics kasi ito guys. So, dapat tingnan niyo yung CloudWatch. Madami kasing metrics doon na could be useful to you. No?
So from experience, yung paggamit ko ng CloudWatch, iba yung tinitignan namin usually yung mga definitely hindi yung iba dito. So yung hula ko, so I'll try to guess. May chance na 4, meron ding chance na yung search queue ulit, ngayon ko nga lang nakita yan parang walang ganyan. Tapos volume queue length, ano yung naka-queue dyan? So hindi, so mataas na chance na 4. Tapos yung volume idle time, I'm not sure kung meron ganyan. Or kung yun ba yung tamang sagot for that option. So, manghuhula lang ako. Hopefully, we get it right. Pero, i-try either 3 or 4 kasi. Or may chance na nga na 2 Pero 4 yung hula ko. Kung mali, I mean,
ayun.
Mali kung mali.
Mali kung mali talaga. Pwede natin research to after, no guys?
Oo.
Wala naman kasing perfectong tao. Pwede rin tayo magkamali. Pero, pag tama to, baka nga may perfectong tao. Actually, tingnan natin.
So, try natin yung number 4.
Number 4. Tingnan natin. Kung 4, ay, hindi.
Volume queue pala.
Nako, makakatulog ka pa ba mamaya nito?
Okay lang yan. I-research ko na lang mamaya.
I-search mamaya.
Hirap naman ang question na yun, Rafi.
Sige. Truly random na.
Di kasi tinuro sa school yun Kaya mali
Actually, ang school ba, nagtuturo ba ng cloud and AWS? Pag-alam mo?
Alam ko ngayon meron na, di ba?
May mga schools na ganyan. Actually, maganda nga, tingnan niyo kung student kayo, tingnan niyo ang AWS Academy or AWS Educate. No? Student kayo, leverage niyo yung resource na yan. Okay, next question tayo.
Parang hirap na lumalabas sa akin.
Yan. Pabasa naman.
Ayan, so Route 53 does not support Zone Apex records. Naked domain names. Hindi ko na malala yung sagot dito. Na-encounter ko na to before. Pero definitely weird yung answer na 4 at weird yung answer na 3. So definitely 1 and 2 lang yan.
So 1 true, 2 false, 3 it depends on the configuration, 4 only in US is 1.
Wait lang, ginagawa namin to So probably false siya. Hula ko lang. Kasi nagsusupport dapat yan ng naked domain name. So meaning, ang naked domain name, pagkakaintindi ko, is wala yung double sa simula. Tama na? Yun yata yun. So, probably false yung sagot. 2.
False yung sagot, no?
So sana tama ako. Otherwise, nakakaya akong mali. Pero...
Yan. Actually, di ko nga alam na pwede pala maging naked ang isang domain name. Iba yung alam kong pwede lang maging naked. No?
Hindi, pero kasi yung sa naked Apex records kasi, hindi ko alam kung workaround yung ginawa namin dun. Hindi ko malala kung workaround yung ginawa namin dun. Pero, first answer ko would be number 2.
Kasi nagawa nyo nga. So, false yung sagot mo. Okay, tingnan natin kung false. Tingnan natin guys. Ito na.
Alright. Okay.
Last. Ito na, pang-5.
Hirap naman yan, Rafi.
Mahirap talaga. Ay, ito, madali lang, pare. Dalawa lang yung choices mo. Amazon, SWF ensures that the task is assigned only once and is never duplicated.
Ayan. So, yung SWF is potentially simple workflow service.
Tama.
I think. In terms of options when you're trying to architect a website, potentially, ang mga parang other options dyan would be yung SQS, and siguro yung mga modern na mga solutions right now. So, dahil ko explain, tapos biglang mali na. So, may chance na 1 yung sagot. Kasi nga, in terms of like the true, which is true, may chance na yung offering nga niyan is to ensure nga na kapag in-assign mo yung task, parang may process, tapos predictable yung behavior dun sa task processing layer. So, merong chance na true siya, pero kung mali ako, ganun talaga kasi hindi ko pa na-try yung service na yan. Pero 1 yung option ko. Ikaw ba, Rafi? Ano hula mo?
Ako, malalaman natin.
Sayang, gagawin
Baka
ko
in the future, gusto nyo baliktad. Kayo mag-host, ako magsasagot.
Sige.
Pwede.
Discardin ko sana eh. So, probably 1, no?
Sige, tingnan natin if 1. Kung true nga ba? True.
Alright, good job, Rafi.
Good job. Alright, so, Arvs, yun na yun. 80%. 4 out of 5. Now, Arvs, itong last words natin, no? Ikaw, madami kang certification. Paano to nakatulong sa work or sa professional career mo na madaming certification?
Okay, actually, good question, Rafi. So, initially, definitely years ago, hindi ako fan ng certification at all. I mean, that's a real...
Kakagulat yun
Oo, di ba? So, ang nangyari kasi dyan is, as I work for years, so years na, ang na-realize ko is, at some point, kailangan mong i-make sure na nakaka-upgrade ka ng sarili mong capability and yung parang bagong concepts. And definitely, you need to find a way to measure yung current level mo. Kasi syempre, kung aral ka na ng aral, tapos hindi mo alam kung minamimiss ka bang inaaral, definitely, hindi guided yung pag-aaral mo.
Mm-hmm.
So, what I would suggest is that in addition to the certification programs, yung training na ginagawa ng mga tao would include a lot of hands-on. So, ganun yung ginawa kong combo is I actually subscribed dun sa isang website na Quick Clubs. Ang ginawa ko nung time na yun is bumili ako ng sobrang daming credits tapos hinands-on ko lahat nung mga nandoon. So, medyo overkill for a training pero ang na-realize ko is in addition to understanding the concepts along with the hands-on part, it allowed me to have a better understanding of the entire process, all the concepts, and kapag nagkakaroon ng mga problems sa office, instead of me na member ng management team na nag-uutos-utos lang, it allows me to help the people who are encountering the same set of problems. So kapag prepared ka, when you're ready, it helps other people when they're encountering problems. Hindi siya yung nagbabasa ka ng documentation tapos meron ka na agad na huhulayan tapos assume na yun agad solution. Being prepared and being able to perform the same set of steps na ginagawa ng mga tao sa office. At least alam mo kung ano yung experience nila, tapos alam mo din yung solution, especially if you've encountered it. So certifications, going back, allow me and other people to be more prepared, and yung mga topics na ayaw mong aralin, na kailangan pala, maaaral mo din. Kasi nung inaral ko yung AWS, ang mga na-realize kong blind spots would be yung IAM, yung VPC, and definitely yung pipilitin kang basahin yung mga white papers na yun pala marirealize mo na mas maganda mag-start ka dun sa high level kasi baka aral ng technology pero you never were really able to bridge it doon sa business requirements.
I see.
So yun. Actually, good question, Rafi. Thank you for asking that.
Okay. No, thank you again for coming here. Itong si Arvs, guys, hindi na alam, international speaker to. So tingnan nyo lang, purpose nyo, follow nyo pa nga yung LinkedIn niya. Laging kung saan-saan lang to napupunta, no? Alright, so thank you. And of course, mga viewers, don't forget to like and subscribe. Salamat.